What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. I know I am. I'm your boy Ricky. So today we are finally going to install the Steeda Irs subframe brace onto my 2017 Shelby Gt350. This is a part that's well needed. So let's take a look at the Steeda subframe brace. All right, guys, so here we have it. This is the Steeda Subframe Irs subframe brace. So like I said, adding this should and will eliminate all wheel hop. Hopefully. These are the screws that comes with it. And let's start this install. Let's take a look at the Shelby, man. Ooh, so mean, so brutal. Let's take a look. Wait a minute. Let's go down. Wow. So mean. All right, enough of that. Let's start this install. All right, guys. So this is really disappointing, very annoying, very frustrating. I had to remove my jack and rails, BMR jack and rails, which I just put on about maybe 6 months ago to install the Steeda Irs subframe brace. Very annoying, very irritating. I didn't see anywhere that stated that you couldn't install this while you had this installed at the same time. So, I mean, I'd rather stop my wheel hop versus jacking the car up with ease. I mean, I wish I could have both of them installed at the same time. I gotta find another solution. So these are off, about to install this, and let's continue. All right, so guys, so another problem. There was no directions on how to install the Irs brace. Lucky thing, there's YouTube videos that you could watch and see how to install this. I mean, there's a lot of nuts and bolts and washers, and you got to figure out like where this stuff goes. You have longer, you got shorter. I'm not sure where they will go, so I'm gonna have to figure this out, and that's kind of annoying. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is there's a couple of bolts. There's a couple of bolts that's different. You have this one here. This is a 15mm bolt. So this little plate here, you want to slide it in right here, just like that. Right, so I figure you use this bolt with the thicker washer. Put that in like that, and you feel it come through the other end. And you have the nut here. Got this nut here. If you go, you can actually feel it. You go through the exhaust side, and slipped out my hand. Tight spot. And kind of tighten it. That's in. All right, guys. So this is the bolt that's going to go into this little plate that they supplied us with, and you want to make sure you have a washer on this one. And it's going to screw that in. This one, this is a longer one. This is going to go right in here. I'm just holding the nut with my hand. Make sure everything is aligned correctly. That's aligned. Don't strip anything. This is actually fairly easy. You don't need directions, but you know, it's still good to have it. It's still good to have directions. So now I'm going to torque everything down, and that's the crazy thing is, so I don't know what to torque these things at. They didn't give me any directions, so you should have directions so you can torque it down. But yeah, that's the problem with when you don't have directions. You don't know what to torque this thing down. So this is the passenger side I'm doing. we have the long bolt. So the long bolt goes here, and you have your supply nut here. So this goes here. This is the short bolt, which is this here. So you have a short bolt, then you have a long bolt. The short one goes here, the long one goes here, and you have two of these bolts that goes, I'll show to you in a few seconds. And this get a washer, just like that. Like I said, hand tighten everything. Alright guys, so finally finish installing Steeda Irs subframe brace. Install was fairly easy as expected. My only downfall and dilemma that I ran into, I had to remove my jacking rails, which I am not too happy about, because so that was the passenger side, this is the driver's side. So yeah, I'm not too happy about that I had to remove my jacking rails. Very disappointed with that. But this is how it looks under here. This is my jacking rail on the floor. The reason why I couldn't use my jacking rails is because that bolt here. So right here is where the jacking rail will be installed, and this is the other bolt here. So I had to take it off, and it really sucks. Really sucks, man. So I'm gonna find out if Steeda makes a jacking rail that I could use in conjunction with the Irs brace. This should pretty much eliminate my wheel hop that I currently have. So that's pretty much it. Hope this was informative to you guys, because I didn't have any directions, so I had to kind of wing it, and came out pretty nice. And like always, man, please make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you think. All right, see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.